Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life plus in your studies also. So today is day 5 of this daily schedule of IBPS Clerk 2021 and this schedule is for beginners. So if you are a beginner then you are at the right place. So first of all you have to cover the daily current affairs because the date of mains examination of IBPS clerk is not fixed. So first try to cover the daily current affairs on daily basis, okay? And for current affairs just go for Affairs Cloud, and if you have not bought the subscription of Affairs Cloud then I suggest you to go for it because in Affairs Cloud they cover all the current affairs and you need not to go anywhere if you cover the current affairs from Affairs Cloud, and you get the quizzes of the same questions which you will read in the PDF. So there is high possibility that you will retain the current affairs after covering the you will retain the current affairs after attempting the quizzes, okay? So I will give you the link of Affairs Cloud in description, and by using my code you will get extra 10% discount also. Then there are maths basic practice, which is simplification and quadratic and number series. So try to attempt 10 questions of these things on daily basis. Then there are ratio and proportion level second. So today you have to cover this level second of ratio and proportion, and for this you can go for Amar Sir's classes on YouTube. Then there is mains level DI. So do 2 DIs of mains level based on ratio and proportion, okay? Just search on YouTube and you will find many videos. Then there are 5 prelims level DIs. Then for reasoning, today you will cover inequality basics and practice 50 questions of inequality of prelims level. And for this just search in the Google and you will find the prelims level PDF of inequality. Then you have to practice 10 mixed puzzles of prelims level. Then for English, do 1 read editorial. Then try to cover the basics of adverb chapter. And for all of this like maths and reasoning and English, for all the practice material you can go for Guidely PDF course, because in Guidely PDF course daily practice material is provided, like for maths, then for mains DI, pre-DI, and for everything they provide the daily PDFs for prelims and mains both. So you can attempt the quizzes, otherwise you can download the PDFs and practice from the PDFs. Plus the PDFs are available in both the languages, like in Hindi and in English also. And there are 40,000 plus questions in the PDF course. So you need not to go anywhere if you practice the questions from Guidely PDF course. I will give you the link of Guidely PDF course in description, and by using my code you will get extra 12% discount also. So that's all for this day 5 schedule, and I know the IBPS clerk exam has been postponed till further notice, but at this time if you keep preparing religiously then you will definitely clear this exam at the end, okay? So don't lose hope, and that's all for today's video. All the best for today and thank you.